Welcome to jbbearimages.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can put a photograph on a tote bag. And if you have already viewed the video on putting an image on a coffee mug, this is very similar in procedure. If you're at the website already, you go to a photograph of your choice. And in this example, I'm going to be going to the image on the left-hand side of the lighthouse. And I'm going to click on that image. And that will open it up. And then you will go to the lower right-hand side to select tote bags. Once you do that, you go down to the drop-down box that says Customize It and choose the size tote bag that you're interested in. It's a 13-inch square, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch. Once you choose the size, then you can go up to the slider and make your adjustment to make the photograph fit within the tote bag the way you would like it. These are high-quality bags. They're lined on the inside, and they're maybe about an inch and a half to 2 inches deep, depending on the size of dimensions. So once you do that, you go to checkout, or if you want to just add to cart and do some more shopping for other products, you can do that as well. And that's the basics of it. If you have any questions, you can call me at 530-592-5119 or email me at jbbearinger@gmail.com. Thank you very much.